Hello everybody. The tool is going to present is Poundtown. Poundtown is an online educational tool for the creation of animation and all kinds of video presentations. The platform has an interface in English or in Spanish that allow us as create custom personalized presentations and videos with a high quality results. The themes are my Python's solutions, and you can log in by Facebook or Google. Poundtown is a free online tool in English. You have other payment options with more features, but the account is confused or just unnecessary to make a good presentation. You can choose the sense that you like. Example, you can explain it by video, marketing video, ethnographic video, presentations, and more. You can choose blank Python and create your Python that you like. In this moment, it shares the presentation and you use the creative for explain your topics and your presentations in a creative form. You choose a look for the Python, cartoon, ethnographic, real. In this moment, I create a new Python, new slide. You can choose the characters, text, shapes, images, videos, sound, or others. You can recording your voice or your music and complete the presentations. In this moment, I going to example. I'm going to do example. I choose a scene. Ethnographic character is free. I choose this. You add you can choose the text that you prefer. In this moment, I choose this. You begin to create your topic because you can choose the fonts, the size of the song, the letters, and another thing. You can choose images and complete your presentation with your own creative. It is a good tool for the students. You can record your voice and start your record, and complete the slides with your voice and explain the topics that you want. It is all. Thank you for watching me. Bye.